Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm here doing my top-down analysis starting with BTC. So I moved to 4 hours to know clear direction. Please do well to watch this video to the end. Thank you. As you can see, I normally follow market structure. That's just my strategy, follow market structure. As you can see, the market is creating higher highs and higher low. Then here we have change of character. Mark it out. Okay, here BOS. Here market structure shifts. And as well, if it's your first time on this channel, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. After marking it, then clone it, shift it to this side, record structure to the downside. The first week. Okay. Then, as you can see, your market has been pushing to the downside. As well, read the market structure. Week. As week low, I draw on liquidity. Expecting market to take out this low. There's when we have this equal low there on our liquidity. Like that. And this is my strong high. Yeah, and then mark it out liquidity here. That's double bottom. And as you can see, market has been pushing to the downside. The internal structures, low, high, low, high, low. Expecting market to come back and create another low. So that's my view on BTC. Let me delete this and mark out my other block. Point of interest. Yeah, we have BOS. Then we have BOS here. We have BOS here. Let me explain the market very well. BOX. Break of structure. And this is my point of interest. I move to 1 hour time frame to mark my other block very well. As you can see here, this is where the break of structure occur in 1 hour time frame. And this is the point of interest in 1 hour because it has not been mitigated. So I choose that place. Our market have not cleared. Market need to clear that place, giving us a liquidity level, or known as, you can call it inducement. As you can see here, market did not break above, not sweep above this block, other block here. Okay. We have this one here as a strong hand. It's strong high. So this will be my liquidity. I'm expecting market to take out. So guys, this is my view on BTC. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video for more video. This is how I do my top-down analysis anytime I come to the forex market. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you watch the video up to now, please thumbs up for more videos. Thank you guys.